was using their fingers.
Reducing the gap in access and quality. Local communities will feel motivated and empowered to have access to world-class training materials that will help them offer high-quality education. This way, we'll reduce the gap between developed and developing countries and communities, thus creating more space for equality and high standards.
Put the number I want them to write here so that they can see and copy.